Okay, bye. Hi guys, so I had my eyebrows done. I don't know about the top. Tignan mo yung taas.
Okay lang.
Okay lang ba? Sabi niya, okay daw yung shape. Bagay daw sa shape ng mata ko.
Kaya na IKEA yung mata.
Mom is with me. We're gonna go to IKEA and stuff. So yeah.
Meron din dito, pero tingin muna tayo sa IKEA kung ano lang mas mura.
I left my phone at my brother's place. It's not my fault, don't walk away, 'cause I don't quite know what you're running from. 'Cause all my friends, they think I'm fun. You take yourself too seriously. I don't wanna hear you say we waste our time. Going home to be all alone, watching cooking shows. You take yourself too seriously. I'm fine. I left my keys at my cousin's house. He says I need to leave you 'cause you're bringing me down, and you're all worked up 'cause I got home late. You hold this night against me till 3008. You take yourself too seriously. I don't wanna hear you say we waste our time.
Only the burger, also mom's. Okay, so good evening everyone. We just got home from IKEA and Lulu and everything. And now I'm gonna be tasting this very messed up sushi from Lulu. It's, what do you call this? It's an ebi tempura roll. 10 pieces of ebi tempura rolls. And we also got McDonald's, so Dad liberated us to McDonald's before we went home, so we made Dan there. And we got McDonald's. Here's the McDonald's. We got chicken sandwich meals. And Mom got McNuggets. And Dad got nothing. He's just eating flaming hot Cheetos. I have to remove the tape. This is really annoying. Appa, can you give me the sushi? I mean, not the sushi. The cutter. Can you give me the cutter, please? Actually, it's fine now. Okay, so we now have opened it and I'm just gonna fix it real quick. So I'm just gonna fix it with my chopsticks. I got it out because I was eating flaming hot Cheetos with them. Malamig. Wait, I don't think I can actually fix it. So maybe I'm just gonna taste it. Hello? Are you there? Yes. Okay, so we got our chopsticks. And I'm just gonna...
9 months lang yun.
Okay, so now we're gonna taste this tempura roll. So I'm getting one. Yeah, it's so cute. Look at it. Haha. So pretty. It's a crispy ebi tempura roll. So we're gonna dip it. Oh, it's too big. It can't fit the... Okay, so now let's just taste it. Alright, so we have it here. Hello, focus please. Okay. I'm gonna taste it now. It's good. It also has cream cheese. But you know how it says crispy ebi tempura roll? That's what like you taste. Like the outside is hard. I'll give it a 8 out of 10. I mean, it's nice. I like it. That is our taste test of the tempura roll from Lulu. Actually, fun fact, kapag gabi na, and hindi pa ubos yung sushi nila, they give it like they give offers na buy one take one for their sushi. So yes, that is the thing about sushi in Lulu. Yes, I'm just gonna eat this and then I'll eat my McDonald's. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning everybody. So today is August 15 and It's already 2 p.m. So I'm just having some cereal. Nakikita niyo ba? I woke up at around 6:47. I had to wake up early because I am fixing my sleeping schedule since malapit na magpasokan. And when the pasokan comes, I'm gonna have to wake up earlier than I have been waking up these past few weeks. So I did that this morning and I went on my laptop immediately to edit and do stuff, you know. I also had the chance to talk to my friends. I joined in one of the group chats para sa isa sa mga classes namin this semester. So yes, it was pretty eventful since I did a lot of editing for 2 videos that I'm gonna be posting this week. And then I also started editing the Q&A video, which is gonna go up kailan? Sunday, next Sunday. So yes, I'm just waiting for today's video to go up and then I'm gonna see how that goes. I hope it goes well. And mom fixed up the sala. Diba kagabi nag-IKEA kami? So ngayon, inayos niya yung sala and ipapakita ko sa inyo. Gusto niyo pa makita? Okay, so this is how our sala looks right now. Very, ano ba tong theme na to? I'm not really sure what to call it. Pero ayan, kitang-kita niya sa side na yon, we have our plants, or plants ni mom. Tapos meron din sa corner na yon. And then we have the center table. Let's show you the center table. So ayan na, meron siyang plants dyan. Inayos niya yan kagabi or the other day, I don't know. Pero yan, tapos yung sofas namin. There. It's so cozy looking. I just wanna lay in them. So yes, that's the new Ayos over sala. Annyeong Appa! Annyeong Amma!
Nag-video ka?
Yeah, I videoed.
Yeah,
that is working and I'm just having my cereal. Nothing much today. Except for the video going up. Good afternoon, everyone! Alright, so right now, nasa kotse kami dahil ihahatid ako ni Daddy. Punta kaming DFC ng mga friends ko. We're gonna meet up and have food sa IKEA. So, Dad's gonna drop me off dahil medyo mahirap magpunta doon kapag naka-metro. So, yeah. Dad was kind enough to drop me off like always. He always drops me off madalas sa pupuntahan ko with my friends. So yeah. And then later is gonna be Tita's surprise birthday celebration. So isusurprise namin siya ng onti lang. Kung nakita nyo kanina nga, nagbo-blow ako ng mga balloons para sa walls para mamaya ikakabit namin sa pader. And yeah, we're gonna have so many food. So we're gonna surprise her and I hope she enjoys it. Alright. See you later.
That's my crew. Tell 'em that's my crew. Screaming that's my crew. Baby, that's my crew. On a weekday with crew, I'm ready to blow. We make it look real easy, but trust you'll never ride. And it's true, she pop, but I steady mind my business and collect that guap. Ticketing, they handle it, but they ain't got a clue. Thinking with that bottom end, so I take breath from you. Players on the lineup, so I think I'll have a few. But never trust a bus, I fed, I toss them through out that screw.
Yung look niya eh. Teka. Ayan. Ayan, artist. Alam yung mga ano, gay artist na galing sa airport.
Isa, sige, try mo. Isa lang. Kunyari, doon ka galing.
Ng guard dito.
Actually,
Loyalty, they never make a sound.
Kita mo
I met a
yan?
few that spoil me, they'll always stay around. Been trying to be a baller, people take
Kita mo
it out of
to?
bounds. Trying to make it where it counts. Stay surrounded by champs, had to go and take it up. Didn't happen by chance, from the bottom to the top. Like we rolling up rims, spend a fortune on a
for my
drink. Burn
future,
a
baby.
hole in my pants, yeah. Constellation got the hottest crew.
Cute ng mga beds ng bata.
Real friends only got a few. Nah, it's real live when we slide some animals outside the zoo. Don't try to crew.
Baby, that's my crew. That's my crew. That's my crew. That's my crew. Tell 'em that's my crew. Screaming, that's my crew. Baby, that's mine.
You may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. You my salty crush, I'm doing something different. Your name's been on my tongue, my cup's been looking fuller. You're picking by my walls, and baby, let's settle up. Cause lately the world's been going crazy, and I gon' need somebody to turn. Saltine and ginger ale, that shit will never fail. I keep it tucked on my body cause I don't feel well. Girl, tell me something else. Saltine and ginger ale, that shit will never fail. And you may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. Hold up, shimmer, comfort queen, my squeeze at night. Who opens up this package is too tight, ho, whoa. And know you got it like that. Bring it on back, cause you got it like that, ah, yeah. And know she got it like that. Sometimes desserts are best when last. Or your daddy gonna beat my ass.